subscribe, and share this video. Today, we're over here at Loud Gallery, downtown Orlando. We're here for Artist Creative Angel and Young Scholars Party. So, yeah, come inside and let's check this event out.
You know what time it is? We here, Debo the Don TV. Young Scholar, I'm in the building. Whole lot of 7 vibes, right? You already know what's going on, man. We hanging out, the video release party, 47718. That's what it's all about, unifying this whole situation. We got the video, it's out today. All right, make sure you go check that joint out. It's available on YouTube. And of course, I'm telling you this because I love you. I don't want to just tell you nothing like I just tell you because I like you like that. My boy, Debo the Don.
Yes, sir, man. I love you too, man. Thank you for this, paying homage to Debo the Don TV, man. This is a big milestone for me, man. But I wanted to ask you a couple questions. Just tell the people who you are, where you from, where you grew up, what educational institution that you enrolled in, high school, college, and etc.
Yeah, man. I'm just a young dude, I'm from Florida. I ain't never lived in the city without a beach, except for Orlando.
Okay.
But either way, man, for real, I'm from Florida, man. Raised right outside of St. Pete, Sarasota, Florida, which is real cool. Took a chance, went to Bethune-Cookman College. I love my HBCU. I got the student loans and the receipts to prove it. You feel me? And now we here in Orlando talking on the radio, making hit records and stuff. So that's what we doing.
Hey, that's beautiful, man. Well, hey, man, so you went to a famous HBCU.
Yes, now, the great Bethune-Cookman.
Now, for those that don't know you, you are a radio personality.
Right.
But you said that was your backup plan. Originally, you were going to be an artist.
Radio was like, okay, artist was plan A, 106 Park was plan B, radio was C.
Radio was C. Now, how did you land the opportunity, to get your feet into, becoming a radio personality?
Oh man, like Nipsey Hussle said, dedication, man. Like I found a dude that was like, he was real big in radio. He used to come and DJ the parties at Bethune-Cookman.
Okay.
I used to be like, he's on the radio. What's the damn shit?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So I was like, yo, if I come to the club, I ain't here for you know what I mean? But I want to get to the DJ booth. Say, hey, look, man, I'm in radio. I majored in college in radio. A lot of people don't know that. That was my major in college. You know what I'm saying? So after I just tell them, I go, yo, man, I go to the club. I said there's a DJ booth, this guy in radio, I want to be in radio. And eventually, after nagging long enough, he gave me a shot. Like, you know what? We get a radio station at 4 o'clock.
Wow. Well, that's amazing, man.
Yeah, shout out to DJ D Strong, man. Solid dude.
Hey, DJ D Strong, man. Thank you. This guy right here is a blessing, man. Now, your radio personality, but we're here today because this is the video release for your single. Exactly. Now, people don't know, like I said, you rap. So this right now is kind of giving the people that know you from radio, but also people that followed you early on in your career, because you got the mixtape.
Yeah.
People don't know that.
I don't know that. Yeah, Tuition Free the mixtape. I got a clothing line too.
Okay.
Yeah, Tuition Free clothing. I started that in college when I went broke. You know what I'm saying? Tuition Free clothing. Oh no man, because the motto is oh no man.
Yeah.
Salad made student loans, all that other kind of good stuff. I was like, dang. I said in my dorm room one day, I ran out of financial aid. I was like, shit, yo, it's tuition free. Then I started the clothing line, Tuition Free. So that's something, I had kind of take the background, take out the kind of all this music, have your wings spread, you know what I'm saying? So let me just spread yourself in. But yo, I plan on revamping that, bringing that back.
Well, no, you definitely did that, man. With this single here, the 7.
Mixtape, Tuition Free the mixtape, go get us on that bill.
Yes. Now, when you, you're a very passionate person, very charismatic. What was the inspiration when you sat down with Angel and created, the 7?
Angel didn't even know I could rap, bro.
I didn't either.
Angel just literally knew I was on the radio, knew I was the voice of the city, knew that he wanted somebody from the city to do this thing on the record. He was thinking a lot of Orlando rappers. He just kind of originally wanted me just to host the situation. So, you know what I'm saying? But I was like, played him a couple tracks, all Tuition Free the mixtape, and he was like, oh. Damn, you all rap though. We played me a couple of joints. Played the 7 for me. I was like, ooh, I like it. And then, you know, we was a little influenced. Got a little Bob Marley session on. Okay. And then we came back. I laid down the verse.
Now, let me ask you, you being, you know, a radio personality / journalist, what was the creative process like when you actually created this song? Did you actually write, or did you have this already coordinated in your mind?
Nah, I ain't even write it. There was no writing. It was literally like we played the beat, we went to smoke, went back, laid down the verse.
And that was it. Wow, man. So, you know, at this point in your life, you know, you're kind of going, your main thing is the radio station, but, you know, your passion is the music.
Right.
What are you most passionate about currently in your life at this very moment? And what plans do you have for the brand that you have right now, tuition free? What do you see yourself doing in the next 5 years?
Next 5 years, man, I see myself at the BET Award, hosting award show. I see myself at hit record, traveling tour across the country, not just the state. Right now I'm on a tour across the state. I've been on tour across the country. Definitely see myself with some awards, you know what I mean? Definitely with a fan, you know what I'm saying? Seeing my little man get big. I ain't get you.
Man, that's beautiful. Well, hey, my brother, Young Scholar, you know I love you, man. I appreciate you. Hey, check my brother out. Tell me where they can find you at if they need you.
Yeah, you can check me on the gram, man. YSBaby on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? The Young Scholar on Twitter. We've been at it for a minute, man. Support, who support you. Trust me, man. That's what it's all about. 2019, 7-5. Be the change you want to see in people.
Perfect.